Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna whip up this quick and easy sangria drink. It's so delicious. Just one sip is gonna have everybody asking for the recipe. I guarantee it. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I upload quick and easy recipes every other day and they always have a unique twist to them. Now let's get started. Starting off this sangria by mixing both 4 ounces of orange juice and lemonade concentrate into my pitcher, along with some passion fruit juice as well. Now, if you're able to find this passion fruit juice in a concentrate, that would be much preferred, but this one's already pre-mixed, so 1 cup is going to be going in. I have here some Cabernet Sauvignon. Use a good dry wine that will balance out all the sweetness from these juices. Be sure to mix this up well before you add all the club soda that is going to go in at the end. Check out the full recipe below. I knew I was going to drink this whole pitcher by myself, so I only made a quarter amount of the recipe. Add all the citrus fruits. I found these cute little kumquats at the store, which are super sweet and sour. They pair perfectly well with all of those other citrus fruits. At the very last moment, before you serve this, top it off with the club soda. This sangria just gets better and better as it sits. The full recipe makes a full gallon, so store it in the refrigerator and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching.